And in this video I'm going to show you the Raypak Protege SF above ground sand filter. And Raypak makes 6 different sizes of their above ground sand filters. So no matter if you have a small above ground pool or a large one, they'll have a sand filter model just right for your pool. And included in the box is the installation and operation manual for the sand filter. Note that there are 6 different models of sand filters. So refer to the manual to see how much sand to add to your particular filter size. And on the front of your sand filter will be this nice label by Raypak. You'll see all the different filter sizes here, and you'll see your filter size punched out here. You would just go down here to get all of the specs for your filter, and you'll see here that this filter, you'll add 100 pounds of sand to it roughly. And on the bottom is a sturdy plastic base. It's always recommended to install the filter on a cement pad. And on the bottom of the filter is this convenient drain plug. And included are 1.5-inch standard unions. The backwash union has this really nice sight glass. You can see the filter as it's backwashing. And if your above ground pool is set up with hoses, also included are 3 hose clamp fittings. And here's the filter set up with the 1.5-inch unions. You have your pump inlet, then you have the return here, and then you have your waste or backwash line with the sight glass. And these unions easily thread right into the filter. And here's the filter with the hose clamp fittings installed. You have the inlet or pump, then you have the outlet or return line, and on the other side is the waste or backwash line, and you can clamp a backwash hose here on this end. Okay, in the box is the pressure gauge. Okay, let me show you how to get the pressure gauge on. You simply take this plug out, then you'll take the pressure gauge and add some Teflon tape to the end, and it threads right in like this. And Raypak also carries a cartridge filter system. This is a CFP system. It comes with the cartridge filter and also the pump. And if you're looking to upgrade your pump as well as your filter, Raypak makes the SFP system. This is a sand filter and pump combo. And to add the sand, you just remove this clamp on top. The multi-port valve will come off also. Okay, then you want to remove the multi-port valve. You want to go ahead and take the included O-ring. Go ahead and set it inside here like this. You want to go ahead and lube up this O-ring. I'm using the Aladdin Magic Lube. Just make sure that the laterals are fitting flush on the bottom, and now you can add your sand or whatever media you're going to use to add to the sand filter. Once you've added your sand, go ahead and line up this pipe in the center with the bottom of the multi-port valve and put it back on. And now you want to put the clamp back on and tighten it up. Then you'll take a Phillips screwdriver and go to tighten down the clamp on top. Go ahead and tighten the other end also. On top of the filter is this multi-port valve. You have your filter, you have your waste, you have closed here. On the back here is your backwash, and then you have recirculate, and then right here you have the rinse. So if you wanted to backwash the filter, you would simply push down on the handle like this and then turn the valve clockwise. You only want to turn the sand filter valve one direction, which is clockwise. Okay, you can see here it is in backwash mode. Once you're done backwashing, it's always a good idea to rinse the filter. After you rinse the filter, go ahead and put it back in filter mode. And of course, you're only turning the multi-port handle with the filter off. So when you go to turn it to either waste or all the way to backwash, you want to make sure that the pump is off. It's also marked here on the handle. It says shut the pump off before operating the valve. And I like how Raypak includes all the parts for easy installation. So whether you have 1.5-inch plumbing or if you have hose connectors, you have all the parts you need to plumb in your filter. And Raypak is a very well-known manufacturer of heaters and pumps. They've been making pool parts for over 70 years. So that's a quick look at the Raypak Protege lineup of sand filters.